You and I were born to be put in between the raging boys to keep the peace, to bring some stability, some glittering stability. You and I were born to save somebody else's face in front of the boring band, all tangled up in themselves, all tangled up in themselves, all tangled up in themselves, all tangled up in themselves. Can I waste more time before I can wait for change to catch up with us? Give me raging violence that